Hey guys, what's up everybody? This is Divyanshu Pandey, and in this video I'll let you know the 2 ways in which you can use camera raw filters. I have put a link in the description below for these presets. Don't skip the video because the file is password protected and the password will pop up somewhere in the middle of the video. So let's begin with the first method. The first thing you need to do is open an image in Photoshop and go to filters, then camera raw filters. Click on the load settings tab as shown in the video and open the XMP file. XMP means camera raw file, which you want to apply on the image. Now do some basic adjustments like exposure control, shadows, highlights and a bit of these. Now that's the before and after. Now this was the first method. The first method is a bit temporary because whenever you open Camera Raw, you need to locate the Camera Raw file again and again. So for the permanent solution, have a look at method 2. Put all the Camera Raw files in a folder and open the file location as shown in the video. Now all you need to do is copy the folder and paste it in the given location. Refresh your system and open an image in Photoshop again. Now whenever you open Camera Raw, you can get all your presets directly on the screen. I would recommend this method because in this you can try your filters or presets in real time. You can follow me on my Instagram handle. The usernames are popping right on your screens. So this was it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.